YouTube, with Jeff for Low Price Keys. Today we're doing a 2004 Mercedes CLK. Customers lost all her keys. We're out here to program another one. Let's go ahead and test out the remote function. Here is a lock. There you go. And here is the unlock. Here's a panic button. Boom. All right. Make sure this is done and programmed by Low Price Keys Locksmith. Let's go ahead and push this inside the ignition, and ignition has been released, and you're allowed to turn the ignition on and step on your brake. Boom, there it is, guys. That's the first keys. We also made a backup key for her just in case right here. So we're gonna put the first key, and let's go ahead and test out the second key. There you go. And turn the ignition on. Boom. There it is, guys. This is Jeff for Low Price Keys. If you guys have one of these keys and lost one of the keys, let us know. We can be text at 281-250-4334, and have a blessed day.